Our next adventure takes us to the William Barker Whiskey Bonding Barn. That's a mouthful. Anyway, it's a historic site near Molena, Georgia. Let's see, May 12th, 2008, it was added to the National Register of Historic Places. So it was built around 1870 and was constructed by William Thomas Barker. And he was a farmer in Pike County, Georgia. Basically, a bonding barn is a warehouse where they stored whiskey. In 1868, it was in order to delay the payment of federal excise taxes while the whiskey was aging, so you'd store the whiskey in there. So you didn't have to pay the taxes right up front. I think you could delay it up to 4 years as far as paying for the taxes. But anyway, after the temperance movement, the barn just became a store tenant for farmers around the area. I didn't spend much time here because somebody has changed it. It's kind of like a wedding venue type thing now where you can rent it for events. And it's just not that interesting to me. I'm more into the really abandoned stuff. I mean, it is a cool piece of history, but it's just not my cup of tea, you know? So anyway, here it is, and it is kind of cool, but I didn't take any still photos or anything. Yeah, y'all enjoy it.